Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel 10 Minutes Cloud Learning, and as part of today's video we'll understand how does replication within S3 works. So there are basically two types of replication that S3 supports, that is cross region replication and same region replication. So cross region replication is, you wanted to replicate the data from one region, that is US East 1, to another region, let's say UE West 1, right? And this happens, asynchronously. You don't really have to bother about anything. And the various use cases where cross-region replication is applicable is compliance, low latency access, and replication across multiple AWS accounts. Similarly, we have same region app replications. So this is the use cases for same region replications are, when you want to replicate some of the data that is from your production environment to your test environment. There are a few things that we need to keep in mind when it comes to configuring your replication policies. That is, your versioning needs to be enabled across source and destination buckets, and copying is also asynchronous. S3 buckets should be enabled with proper IAM permissions. So we'll quickly see a demo how it works. So let me jump into my AWS console. So as you can see, I already have a S3 bucket called my S3 bucket. I'm going to create, or I'm going to, and this bucket does not have any data as such as of now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create another bucket which is going to replicate the data from this bucket to the other one. So let me give a name. I'll say CRR, that is cross region replication, and I'm going to select a different region, let's say a European region. Let me go for, yeah, let's go for EU West 1. I'll go ahead. Yes, as I said, you have to make sure the versioning is also enabled, and these options are not required. So let me go ahead and create a bucket. So now I'll go to my source bucket, that is this bucket, and I go to management. Under management, you can see there is an option called replication rules. Here you need to create your replication rule. So you can give any name here. Let's say demo replication rule. Now I'll choose, this is my S3 bucket. Now it is asking me whether you want to copy or replicate all the objects, or you wanted to do some kind of filtration in terms of only few of the objects has to be copied from the source to the destination. So as of now, we'll go ahead with the other option, that is all the objects. Now the destination object is something which you can browse here, and you can choose your destination, that is the this one which we just now created, and you have to make sure that okay, you define a new IAM rule. So I'll go ahead and create a new IAM rule. I don't have to select any of these options. Let's go ahead to the default options. Okay, so we are kind of done with the replication rule. Now let me go to my source bucket. Let me quickly check the permissions that it has. It all looks good. Go to the properties. Let's see bucket versioning is enabled or not. Yes, it is enabled. So this is very important. Okay, so now I'll go to objects. I'll upload a file here. Let's go for this document. So now this file has been uploaded successfully. It is, yeah, it is uploaded successfully now. Let me close this. Now I'll go to my destination bucket to see whether this file is also getting replicated there or not. Let me refresh this. Yeah, as you can see, this file has been uploaded to the destination bucket. So today we learned about how to create a replication rule within S3 by going to the management section, and we are able to replicate an object from source to the destination bucket. I hope you liked the video. Wish you all a happy learning. If you want to get access to more videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.